Ew, all this trash.
Hey, hold it! That's new!
It's broken.
No, it's not. It's mine. I want to keep it.
Throw it away.
Keep it.
Throw.
Keep it.
There's more for you to clean now.
For you.
You.
Enough! I never knew this was in my lab. This is the Mingo family tree. Franklin Mingo.
Franklin?
Mingo.
Do you suppose they're related?
Soon I will be the most perfect man in the universe. This book was written by the third generation of the Mingo bloodline. The wise Franklin Mingo found a way to make himself perfect in every way. According to old Franklin, I need 4 elements, which are an alligator's tooth, a lion's claw, a polar bear's tears, and lastly, and the most important, is the hair of the most perfect face in the world.
What's so great about this Mika? I look better than him.
Everyone!
It's Mika!
Ouch! That hurts! Face it, Chuck! Everyone loves Mika!
Quinn, do something! Do something! Do something!
Ow!
Got it!
Now, the pretty boy.
Oh, you want my autograph? Here you go.
What's this?
Mika's gone! Mika's gone! Hey, where'd he go? He can't just disappear.
Let me go! Let me go! What do you want from me? You can have everything. Just let me go!
You've got something we want.
No! No! My hair!
Penguin, where is my last ingredient? What is this?
It's your last ingredient, Dr. Mingo.
Idiots, I only need 1.
Ah!
I am now the perfect Mingo. Huh? Hello? Ah!
My pretty hair!
Ah!
Ah!
How could this happen? Huh? Aren't you the most perfect man in the world?
Yes, I am. No doubt.
Is this you?
Oh, that was before I had my, beauty makeover. Oops.
Liar!
Mika Jason has disappeared. The crowd is in a panic. All around, people are crying and screaming. Including me. Mika is gone.
Huh? Oh no! Oh no! Huh? I'll take this. Music!
Push harder! Push harder, you idiots! Flick is going to love me.
Can you go any faster? Mika's in great danger.
Okay, okay. I care.
Don't worry, Mika. Flick is coming to save you. Mika! Stop the car!
What?
Mika! Oh, I'm so glad you're okay. I've these flowers for you.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Flick.
How about we go grab some coffee?
That would be great. Let's go.
Ah!
There's something wrong with Mika Jason.
Chuck, I think you're just jealous.
What? No! Hey, look at that! Ha! I knew it! Stop there, you monster! Show your real face!
Chuck, stop acting childish.
Yeah, you little brat. Get out of my way. Shoot, shoot.
Huh? Hey, Mika, what happened to your hand?
That's Dr. Mingo.
No, it's Mingo Monster!
Oh! Ah, let me go, you ugly monster! Ah!
Speeding Cheetah!
Thanks, Chuck.
No big deal. Huh? Rhinoceros punch! Hey-ya! Huh? Spinning mole!
Stop hiding, chicken. Come on and fight.
I'm here. Hey, over here! Here! Yoo-hoo! Na 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 na. Huh? Where is he?
You like to play, don't you? Let's have some fun. How about a tour around the zoo? Yeah.
Ah! Huh? Hey, what happened to you guys? Anne and Gwen? They did this to you? Dr. Mingo's behind this. Let's go get him together. What do you say?
Okay.
Back off, you ugly monster!
Let's continue our date, my dear. I'm sure no one is gonna disturb us now.
Chuck!
I'll throw you into space this time.
Wait a second. I brought you some friends.
Huh?
Good job, guys.
Oh no! My eyes! My beak!
Mika, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine!